This Omicron surge has many people calling for more paid COVID sick time so workers can stay home. But California's COVID sick leave policy expired at the end of September. ABC 10 News reporter Jared Aarons takes an in-depth look at the effort to bring it back and why some say that shouldn't happen.
I have 2 jobs.
Nelly Gonzalez is waiting for a COVID test so she can get back to her life and her job.
It's already been 10 days since I've gone back to work.
She tested positive for COVID on Christmas Eve and has been isolating ever since. Without paid sick leave at work, it's been tough.
Very difficult, actually, yeah. All the bills I have to pay, and then I also support my family, so if I can't work, I can't support.
Situations like hers are why workers' rights advocates and several California lawmakers want California's legislature to bring back COVID sick pay for every person in the state.
We are facing a surge, perhaps like we haven't faced before in this pandemic. And workers are without any protection in terms of paid sick leave.
The CDC just revised its isolation standards, saying people who test positive need 5 days of isolation and people exposed need 5 to 10 days. That's why the California Labor Federation says workers need at least 5 days of paid time off throughout the Omicron surge. Earlier this week, San Diego County Board of Supervisors Chairman Nathan Fletcher said it's the first thing the legislature should approve in their new session.
We don't want a worker to have to make a choice between their health and feeding their families. That is a tool that we had in the height of COVID. I think that is an appropriate tool right now.
The federal government paid for it early in the pandemic, but that program expired on September 30th. So far, no one has reintroduced it as part of a bill in Sacramento. But LA Democratic Assembly member Wendy Carrillo told the website Cal Matters she plans to, using budget surplus money to fund it. Carrillo calls it, quote, an opportunity for the governor and for the legislature to ensure that the health of the 40 million people across the state of California is prioritized. Still, not everyone thinks it's necessary.
In a state that right now has and offers the most abundant leave programs than any in the country, we just think adding one more is another brick in the backpack of small business owners who are struggling to keep their doors open.
John Kabatek with the National Federation of Independent Businesses says California already has more than a dozen other ways for workers to get paid time off. His group just released a study showing 55% of small businesses in California had employees take time off because of COVID. 72% say they're currently experiencing some kind of staffing shortage. Adding more paid leave, he argues, would be too costly.
Asking a small mom and pop store out there to pay through the nose when they're already dying on the vine is asking a bit too much, and it just adds to their uncertainty.
The Labor Federation disagrees. They say not having it would be just as expensive because workers will either show up sick or lose wages they need to survive.
We're going to see a huge impact not only on the health and safety of workers, but on our entire economy, including businesses.
For people like Nelly, COVID sick time means they can protect their family's health and their bottom line. In the meantime, she'll wait for a negative result to end her quarantine.
I like staying at home, but after being in those 10 days, I did not want to stay home anymore.
Jared Aarons, ABC 10 News.